Welcome back, everybody. Welcome to the 2020-2021 school year. It's a great day to be a Falcon. My name is Mr. Senften. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. Hobbies? Yeah, oh man, where do I start? First and foremost, when I get out of school each day or during the summertime or all this time we've spent at home, one of the most important things to me is family time and getting to spend time with my family. Otherwise, you can find me hunting, golfing, snow skiing. Man, tried a whole lot of things, and I love learning. I love to travel. One of the most awesome things I've ever gotten to do in the last few years was scuba diving, most recently in the Dominican Republic at a shipwreck known as the Astron shipwreck. I'm sure I'll share some videos later in the year on that. I also enjoy trading stocks. My education, well, it's still ongoing. Learning never stops. But as far as my education, I've got a bachelor's degree from The Ohio State University in exercise physiology. My master's degree was in education through the University of Phoenix. I also have my associate's degree in physical therapy assisting, and I'm currently working on a gifted intervention specialist endorsement. Learning never stops. What do I know about teaching? Well, one thing I know for sure, every day is a great day to learn. There's always something to be learned. It's just how you apply yourself and how you focus your drive towards learning is what makes you the person that you are and the person you can be. I've done this for 16 years, going on 16 years now, so it's not my first rodeo. Everybody always asks, what's my favorite subject in school? Well, that's kind of a duh. Science, anything science. Why? I'm fascinated with. I always want to know more. I want to know how things work. I want to know how things work together. And like Albert Einstein, I love asking questions. My least favorite, yeah, we've all got them, and I understand that. Science may not be your cup of tea, but I hope to share with you and help you understand how important it is and how it affects your daily life. For me personally, yeah, I have a struggle when it comes to reading. Reading never was easy for me. I have to be interested in it. Otherwise, my mind is wandering. I could have just read an entire chapter and couldn't tell you anything about it because I was thinking about what I was going to do after school or what I'm going to do this weekend. Gosh, my mind's always wandering. It doesn't come easy for me, and I know there's going to be some things that don't come easy for you, but that's why I'm here. I'm going to help you out. Few interesting facts. I was born in Yokosuka, Japan. My dad was in the Navy, tracking Russian subs off the coast of Japan. This is a logo from his fleet command. I was an athletic trainer before I was a teacher. Yes, I haven't been doing this all of my life, but as an athletic trainer, I had the privilege of working with Ohio State athletics, worked for 4 years with the Columbus Clippers and the New York Yankees farm team, also spent 8 years with the Pittsburgh Pirates, worked some with the Columbus Blue Jackets and the Pittsburgh Penguins in the NHL, and also was the athletic trainer for several years here at Fairfield Union. I got my pilot's license in 2003. I became a PADI certified diver in 2017. I'm married and I have twins. I know we've got a lot of twins floating around here. I have a boy, girl, daughter, son, twins. Enough about me, but what can you expect? Well, first and foremost, you will be challenged. That's my goal, is to challenge each and every one of you. We will see a variety of different learning going on. Obviously, some of you will be here, some of you will be at home. We've got a lot of different things going on. But even when you're in the classroom, we're all learning at different levels, different paces, and you're going to see that from time to time. But understand, every day you'll have something that's appropriate for you to be working on while you're in class. You have to be present. And yes, I say present because one way or another, you have to be online every day or checking in regularly. So everything I'm going to send through Google Classroom. There's going to be no unnecessary outside resources. But if it's on Google Classroom, I promise you'll be able to get to it and you'll be able to learn from it. What do I expect of you? Complete all assignments on time. Give me your best effort. I realize some things are going to be difficult. I told you, I'm going to challenge you. Give me your best effort all the time. Be ready to learn all the time. And most importantly, be checking Google Classroom every day. Your assignments will be posted daily of what's necessary, what's due, some upcoming events. Everything you need to know will be on your Google Classroom, and I'll be sharing those codes with you here in the next few days. And now the reason why you came to see my video. Well, some of you are going to be joining me for biology, and throughout the year in biology, we're going to be talking about cells, everything you wanted to know about cells. Then we're going to move into heredity and genetics and its role, the cellular role of heredity and genetics and how we inherit our traits. Then we're going to be looking at evolution and population changes, how change over time drives new populations. And finally, we're going to be looking at ecology and the interactions of life, how one organism affects another, how one area affects another. What we do in our areas or in the different environments affect those organisms. Or you may be with me for biology too. We're going to be talking about the relationships of cells and tissues. We're going to look at the 11 organ systems of the human body. We're going to look at the interactions between those organ systems. We're going to talk about death and disease. We're going to talk about medical terminology. So I hope you stay tuned. I hope you join in. I look forward to getting this year started. Let me know if you have any questions. You can email me at any time. Have a great year.